Hey everybody, Nathan here from REV Rides. I am excited to show you guys the process that we're going through to pin the stators for the S22. We're in Gaston, Oregon at Fordyce Design and Manufacturing. Come check it out. Hey guys, this is Casey. Hello. Casey and I worked at an engineering firm about 12 years ago together, and now he's opened up his own design and manufacturing shop. So he's the one who did this process for us, but I'm gonna explain the stators here and what we did to fix them. So just real quick, you can see how the center hub is a separate piece from the outside windings. And so what we're doing is drilling and pinning between the two pieces to hold them together so that they won't rotate relative to each other. Before they go in for machining, they wrap them with duct tape to prevent any of the metal chips from getting into the stator windings. And then we'll go right over here and I'll show you the CNC mill that they're mounting them in. So this is the CNC mill. It's got a tool changer on it. They built some soft jaws to mount the stator. And next we'll show you the actual machining. What you're seeing is the operator mounting the stator in the custom-made soft jaws in this CNC mill. He's verifying the depth. The first step of the machining is just simple spot face on each hole. Now we're swapping to a carbide end mill to mill or drill each of the holes to the proper depth. This pecking process ensures that the chips are cleared out of the hole to ensure we have a nice smooth hole. The final tool change is putting in a reamer, which will ream the hole to the precise diameter. Now that the machining process is finished, the operator is going to ensure that the depth and diameter of the hole is accurate. He's using his gauge pin and measuring it to ensure that the machining process completed successfully. All right, we just finished the machining process. Next, they're gonna remove the duct tape, clean out any chips that may have gotten in there, and then install the dowel pins using some Loctite. In this step, the operator is using a piece of a guitar string to help evenly coat the inside of the hole with the high temp and high strength Loctite. He finishes the process by tapping in the stainless steel dowel pin. And there you have it, guys. A pinned stator ready to go into an S22. Thank you, Fordyce Design and Manufacturing, for helping us get this done. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that behind the scenes video of our machining process for the KingSong s22 stators. If you guys have any questions about what we are doing and the upgrades we're providing for you, don't hesitate to email us. Our email is service@revrides.com. We have these unicycles and many other options, as well as some amazing electric scooters available on our website at www.revrides.com. Hope to see you guys in the next episode. Get out there and enjoy your ride, or come ride with us.